Today's topic is today we are going to learn Unit 11 from Speak Out Elementary. Unit 11 is about health, and we are going to speak about health issues. Let me zoom it. The first part of Unit 11 is called My Head Hurts. In this part, we are going to learn some grammatical points about should and shouldn't, vocabulary about the body and health, and how to give advice. First of all, let me show you, explain you the vocabulary about body and health. As you see here, we have different pictures, and we can name according to the pictures. We can see different parts of the body. For example, in the first picture, you can see nose, eyes, face, head, hand, fingers. You can see in the second picture also, you can see the human face, eyes, nose, eyebrows, forehead, cheeks, chin, mouth. In the third picture, you also can see face, teeth. Here you can see hair, you can see neck. In this picture, she's holding her stomach. And the last picture, you can see arms, legs, neck, head, all the body, human body you can see here. So, as you see, today's topic is about health problems. When you speak about any health problem, you need to name the parts of your body to show your problem. First of all, we can have different health problems like runny nose, his or her legs hurt, a sore throat, a cough, a headache, a temperature, a high temperature, his or her arms hurt, and stomachache. Those are the problems that we can come across when we have a problem. So let's move to the grammar part, but before moving to the grammar part, I want to read cold cures around the world. Let's see. This month we asked readers from around the world what is the best thing to do when cold. Here are some of their answers. Jean from France. You should drink lots of water and get lots of sleep. Nothing else helps. Sando from Korea. We eat kimchi, a dish made from cabbage. You should try it. The cabbage is full of vitamin C and the spices in kimchi. Sam from South Africa. No medicine. You shouldn't take antibiotics for a cold. That's great. Your body can fight the cold virus. Ana Maria from Spain. You should eat fruits, lots of it, especially things like oranges. Mary from Scotland. You should drink herbal tea with honey and lemon in it, and you should relax. You shouldn't go to work. Dove from the USA. That's easy. You should have a bowl of my grandmother's chicken soup. That's the perfect cure. I don't care what anybody says. There is nothing better. As you see, in all of their advices, they used should or shouldn't in their sentences while giving advice. So we use should in sentences like look at the sentences and underline the alternative to complete the rules. You should get lots of sleep. You shouldn't go to work. We use should for something that is a good idea. Like, for example, when we say you should get lots of sleep, it means it is a good idea to get lots of sleep. Or we use shouldn't for something that is a bad idea. For example, you shouldn't go to work, or you may say it is a bad idea to go to work. I can explain it using these tables. We use should and shouldn't in positive and in negative sentences like I should go to bed. You should go to bed, he should go to bed, we should go to bed, or I should drink lots of water, you should drink lots of water. And in negative sentences, we can say I shouldn't take antibiotics, we shouldn't take antibiotics, she shouldn't work, you shouldn't work. And when we use should in question sentences, should usually comes before the subject, and while responding, we use should in short answers. Like, should I go to the doctor? You can say, yes, I should. No, I shouldn't. Should we go to the doctor? Yes, we should. No, we shouldn't. We can answer like this. We use should plus infinitive to give advice. You should take an aspirin, and to recommend. You should see that film. So it has two main functions, giving advice and to recommend something. You should try this soup. After should, we don't use particle to. We use infinitive without to. I should try this soup. We don't say I should to try. It's all about the usage of should. And here we have a listening. Let's listen and complete the table. Just let me share screen using audio. Okay. Let's first of all, let's complete the table, and then we are going to listen and check our answers. You should drink lots of water. You should eat fruit. You shouldn't take antibiotics. Let's listen and see if we have completed it correctly or not. Here we have, what was our listening number? 11.3. So let's listen.
Unit 11, Recording 3.
You should drink lots of water. You should eat fruit. You shouldn't take antibiotics.
As you see, we have done all of them correctly. We have completed correctly. And here we have another exercise. Here we have problems. Let's look at the problems from 1 to 4 and advice. For each problem, we should write advice using should and shouldn't. For example, in the first exercise, we have problem, like it is given. I'm tired. We can say, you should get more sleep. You shouldn't go to bed so late. The second, I am hungry. You can say, you should eat something, or you shouldn't miss breakfast. 3, it is raining and I have to go. You can say, you should take an umbrella. You shouldn't go out now. 4, I feel ill. You should go home. You shouldn't be here in the lesson. So as you see, for each problem, we have 2 advices. So you can use it in your speech from now on while giving advice. The second part from Unit 11 is called Never Felt Better. In this part, we're going to learn some information about adverbs of manner, vocabulary, common verbs, and how to talk about how you do things. The first part is called dedicated to the vocabulary, common verbs. Let's complete the quiz with the verbs in the box. Here we have verb swimming. It is given as you see in the demonstration. It's given here swimming, run, remember, forget, hear, understand, read, climb, concentrate. I will use it in my sentences while completing the quiz. So I think you'll understand the meaning of all the vocabulary. Here we have a quiz which is called Healthy Body, Healthy Mind. I'm gonna complete the quiz questions, but you can complete the quiz with the right answers, which is the right answers for you. For example, the first one has been done for us. Can you swim 100 meters in a pool? You can say yes, easily, yes, but only slowly, or no chance. And for each answer, we have points. For answer A, you got 3 points. For B, you got 2 points. And for C, you got 1 point. After choosing the right options for you, you can count all your points and you can find if you have a healthy body and a healthy mind. Let's complete the questions. Can you swim 100 meters in a pool? Can you run 400 meters without stopping? Can you climb up 4 sets of stairs? Can you read a car number from 50 meters? Can you hear and understand someone talking to you in a noisy room? Can you concentrate on something, example your homework, for 30 minutes without a break? Do you remember everything you ate the day before yesterday? Do you often forget your bank PIN number or a computer password? So you can choose your answers, which is right for you, and complete the quiz. In our answers, like can you swim 100 meters, we can say yes, but only slowly. It means I can swim slowly. Or can you run 400 meters? We can say yes, easily. I can run easily, you can say. Those are all of them, slowly, easily, are called adverbs of manner. We use adverbs of manner to say how we do something. Let me explain it using Language Bank. How to make adverbs of manner in English. Mostly, we add to most adjectives, we add ly to make an adverb. For example, bad, badly, loud, loudly, careful, carefully. Adjectives ending in y, we change it to I and add ly. ILY, like this. Easily, easily, angry, angrily. Adjectives ending in LE change to LY. Terrible, terribly. And also we have here irregular adverbs, which some of them doesn't change their forming as an adjective and as an adverb, but some of them change. For example, good as an adjective, well is an adverb. Good, well. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Early, early. Late, late. Those don't change their form as an adjective and as an adverb. Let's see the usage of adverbs. We use adverbs of manner to say how you do something. For example, I can swim well. She spoke quietly. We use adverbs of time to say when you did something. For example, I went to bed early. She had lunch late. We use adverbs with verbs, like he drives badly. Here the adverb badly belongs to the word drives. He drives badly. We use adjectives with nouns. He is a bad driver. Driver is a noun. That's why in front of the driver we use an adjective, not an adverb. But with to be and to feel, we use adjectives. For example, the film was terrible. I felt terrible. Only the verb be and the verb feel. Adverbs often go after the verb. For example, I arrived early. Verb, adverb. She drove quickly to the shops. Verb, adverb. Or after the verb phrase, like I started to work early. started to work is a verb phrase, then comes an adverb. She drove her car quickly. Drove her car is a verb phrase, and then comes adverb quickly. Or we can use it at the end of the sentence. For example, I arrived at work early. She drove to the shops quickly. Here you see she drove quickly to the shops. We can say she drove quickly to the shops, or she drove to the shops quickly. Here we use quickly at the end of the sentence. This is the usage of adjectives. And here we have an exercise, complete the quiz. We use the quiz and key to help. Let's see. Easy, easily. Slow, slowly. Clear, clearly. Fast, fast. Loud, loudly. Perfect, perfectly. Good, well. Healthy, healthily. Those are the adverbs that we can make out of the adjectives. Let's see how many minutes. Still no one here. And here we have practice exercise. In this exercise, we need to complete the sentences and make them true for you. We use the correct form of the one of the words in brackets. Okay, let's continue. Here we use adjective in the first sentence. It is easy for me to remember new words in English. Or you can say it is hard for me to remember new words in English. Is and is and hard is an adjective. We use the easy because here we have to be in the sentences. It is. That's why we use an adjective after to be, as I said while explaining the grammar. In the second sentence, I like it when the teacher speaks English quickly or slowly. You can put any of it, which is true for you. So we use adverb because here we have a verb, speaks. So adverbs belongs to the speaks. Speaks quickly, slowly. I think I speak English well. I think I speak English badly. We use adverb. The same thing happens here because we have the verb speak. I have got a good memory or a bad memory. We can use, here we can use an adjective because here we have a noun. Memory is a noun, and in front of a noun, we always use an adjective. When I have lunch or dinner, I usually eat fast, or I usually eat slowly. Here we use adverb because of the verb eat. I think I usually eat healthily or unhealthily. Again, we use adverbs. Then 7. I can't concentrate when it is quiet, when it is noisy. I use adjective because here we have the verb to be. I am usually quite lazy. I am usually quite energetic. Also, we use here adjective because here we have the verb to be. am, as you see in front of the sentence. So I hope you understood everything from this part. I'm going to explain the last part, third part of this unit. The third part is called help. Here we are going to learn how to offer to help in English, vocabulary about problems, and learn to thank someone. First of all, let's look at the problems. Here we have questions. I will read the questions and you can answer with any ways that you agree or not with these questions. For example, do people usually help when someone can't lift heavy luggage? Can't lift heavy luggage, we can say it is a problem. Do people usually help when an older person is standing on a train or a bus? Standing on a train or a bus, it is a problem for an older person. Do people usually help when someone drops some files or papers? Someone drops some files or papers. It is a problem. Do people usually help when someone is pushing a car? This is the main problem. Someone is pushing a car. Do people usually help when someone suddenly falls to the ground? Do people usually help when someone cuts his or her hand? You can answer these questions anyways. You might agree with these questions that they do help or not. But we have a text here. It's a kind of testing how people react when someone has a trouble, when someone is in trouble. Let's see. When someone sees a person in trouble, do they stop and help or just walk on by? BBC reporter Michael Combs wanted to find out with his assistant Kitty Dan. He chose 3 situations to test how quickly people help or if they help. In the first situation, Kitty dropped some papers. After a few seconds, Brian McCann came and helped her. He said, I saw her drop everything and I wanted to help her. Most people don't help these days. As you see from picture B, this is the situation. She dropped the papers and he's trying to help her. In the next situation, Kitty tried to move a heavy sign on the street outside the shop. She pushed and pulled it, but no one helped her. This is the situation. He's trying to push and pull the heavy street sign. And the last situation, let's see. In the final situation, Michael fell to the ground in the street. He stayed there for several minutes, but no one came to help. So this is picture C. As you see, he fell to the ground in the street. Later, he asked some people why they didn't help. One woman, Claire, said, I thought maybe you were drunk or dead. People are afraid of helping these days because they don't know what's going to happen to them. 82-year-old Paul Weston said, you don't know if it is real or not. You have to be very, very careful these days. The world is different now. So you can see that people have different reasons not to help people. Maybe they are right, maybe they don't. You can see that. But the main thing here we're going to learn is offering to help. How to offer help in English. First of all, let's complete exercise 4A. Then I'm going to explain you how to offer help in English. Here we have the problems. Let's match the problems with the offers. Here we have offers. I can't open the window. Let me try. Oh, it is stuck. I'm hungry. I'll make you a sandwich. I can't reach the dictionary. I'll get it for you. I can't lift this bag. Let me carry it. It is hot in here. Shall I open the window? Let's see how to offer. As you see from our sentences, in our sentences mostly we use I'll, let me, and shall I. When we have problems, we can say that, for example, I can't lift this case, or it is hot in here. This is a problem. We offer using this phrase. We use I'll, let me, shall I, plus infinitive to offer help. For example, I'll do it. Let me try. Shall I do it? Shall I try? When thanking to offers, we can say thanks a lot. That's kind of you. Thanks. I'm very grateful. While responding to thanking, we can say you're welcome. No problem. That's okay. Those are special phrases that you can use when speaking English. And here we have the last listening from this part. Let's listen to the situation and find out what is happening in each situation. And here we have blank places. You can write it after watching maybe the video of this lesson. You can write the offer, the phrases that we have learned, like I'll, let me, shall I. Using these phrases, you can offer your help into these situations. We'll have here 6 different problems, 6 different situations, and you are going to offer your help to the situations. 11.6, let's listen.
Unit 11. Recording 6. 1,
Oh no!
2,
That's €7.
Oh no! My wallet!
3,
Ah!
4,
Oh!
5, 6,
Ooh, I'm so cold.
So as you see, there are 6 different situations. You can use those phrases using I'll, let me, shall I. You can write your offers for these people. So this is all about from this lesson. I'm gonna finish this class.